Halo, unaweza kupata password ya internet au ya document yoyote yenye QR kwa kuwa na QR husika, alafu upload QR hiyo kwenye Google Lens, then tayari Google Lens ita search na kukupa password. Kwa mfano, watasema make sure you have the QR code of the required internet, then go to Google Lens in your Google search engine, upload your QR, and it will automatically show you the password. Then after having that password, you can continue using that password to other devices. What does it mean? If somebody is asking for your QR to connect with the internet, remember, if you give him the QR code, then you have given him the password of your internet, and therefore it will be easy for him to access it. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe and continue following us for more detail concerning the current technology, other digital teacher materials.